Hi viewers, welcome to my YouTube channel. In this video, I will let you know how to care for your leather items. Make your leather water resistant. There are many leather protector or leather waterproofing products, but read the label carefully before buying. A silicone polymer spray or an acrylic copolymer spray should preserve your leather's appearance and shine. Apply leather conditioner occasionally. Rubbing in leather conditioner restores oil to the leather, preventing excessive dryness and cracking. But too much oil can clog the pores and affect the jacket's color or longevity. Polish smooth leather jackets on rare occasions. Leather polish will bring a shine to your jacket but has the potential to discolor, dry out, or clog the leather surface. Remove salt deposits with a damp cloth. In damp winter conditions, wild salt deposits can form on leather. Wipe the salt off with a damp cloth promptly and to avoid dry spots and cracks. Let wet leather air dry. If your jacket gets wet, hang it evenly on a hanger to dry at room temperature. Remove objects from the pockets to avoid scratching the wet leather and keep it away from direct heat sources. Remove the wrinkles. Storing the jacket on a clothes hanger should prevent and remove minor wrinkles. Rub an art gum razor over grain. This method works well on suede, but test other leathers in a hidden area before use. Dry clean the jacket before moving it to storage. If storing leather long term, dry clean it first to remove any pests and odors. Thank you for watching this video. For more informative videos, please like, share and subscribe our channel.